Okay, this is surprisingly easy, and this is naming carboxylic acid derivatives when they are actually part of the ring. So I'm going to kind of, as you may have guessed, any alkane chain or alkyl group branching off of the cyclic ring is not going to take priority. It doesn't matter how long it is. So we're not going to focus on branches. Branches are just going to be named with the -yl ending that we're used to. How do we name a ring that contains a carboxylic acid? Well, it's actually surprisingly easy. We're just going to name the ring as an alkane. So cyclohexane, cyclopentane, and cyclobutane. Now, to designate these as carboxylic acids, we're just going to say cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclopentane carboxylic acid, cyclobutane carboxylic acid, with the assumption being, with the implied assumption being that the carboxylic acid takes the number 1 carbon. If we have 2, we get the positions 1, 3, cyclohexane, dicarboxylic acid. And that's just how you name them. You add the carboxylic acid portion to the end of the name to specify that there's a carboxylic acid. There's more than one, you have to specify both positions, but if there's only one, it takes the number 1 carbon position. And as far as anything else that branches off the ring, we're not going to treat them as anything other than branches. So we're going to name them the way we traditionally name branches. Now, of course, on top of this, you've got cis trans and things like that. So if the stereochemistry does appear in there, you do need to designate it. But if you don't see it, it's just simply adding the carboxylic acid. If you got 2, dicarboxylic, 3, tri, and so forth. And that's how you name cycloalkanes that contain a carboxylic acid group on them.